video, I'm going to be showing you how to play You Can't Hurry Love, which is a big hit for Phil Collins, as you know, and also the Supremes. In this version, we're going to be covering the Phil Collins version, which is pretty much the same. It's just in a different key, that's all. First off, the goal of today's video is to get you playing the song. This is a fun little strum through video that's designed for the beginners to intermediate level. Just have fun with it. That's all this video is for, is to just get you being able to play the song and having a bit of fun. So first off, I'm going to be showing you all the chords, then the strum pattern, and then we're going to go through all the verse and the chorus and the bridge. So by the end of it, you'll be able to play You Can't Hurry Love by Phil Collins. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so You Can't Hurry Love, let's get into it. So let me first off introduce you to the chords we're going to need. So the chords we're going to need are G major. Now, I always play my G major like that. I know some of you have trouble with that way around, which is the better way. So if you can see yourself playing it like that, more's the better. But you can also play the easier way with the first 3 fingers. So we've got G, then we've got a C major chord, then we've got B minor. Take great care not to play the top 2 strings, string number 5 and string number 6, the top 2. Then we've got a nice easy E minor, we've got an A minor, and we've got a D. So that's 6 chords for the whole song, 6 basic chords. There we go. G, C, B minor, E minor, A minor, and D. Okay, next thing we're going to need is the strum pattern, which I do sympathise. It is a quick strum pattern. What we've got, it goes like this. So what's going to happen is it's going to go down, 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 stop, up, 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 down, down. So down, 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 up, 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 down, down. We'll do that again for you. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. And that is over the duration of 2 bars. It'll all become apparent. I'll put it up on the screen for you to follow along. So if we can just have a little strum of that, it's going to go down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. And of course the speed we're going to be needing is going to be going... Yeah, no faster than that. Anyway, let's take you through the good news. The good news is the verses and the chorus, the same chord sequence. So let's take you through the chord sequence. We've got 2 bars of G. Like I said, that strum pattern covers 2 bars. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2 bars. And then the next 2 bars are C and G. So we've got the down, down, down on the C chord, and then the up, 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 down, down on the G chord. And then the next 2 chords are B minor and E minor. So that would be down, down, down on the B minor, and then up, 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 down, down on the E minor. And then A minor and D. So that will be down, down, down on the A minor, and up, 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 down, down on the D. And then that is 90%, well, maybe not 90%, 80% of the whole song, because that, like I said to you, that is the chord structure for the verse and the chorus. So we've got 2 lots of G, then a C to G, then a B minor to E minor, then an A minor to D. Let's have a little playthrough of that. So I'm going to take this slower than the record, so just so you can follow along. So starting with G, the chords are going to be up on the screen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, C to G, B minor to E minor, A minor to D, and again G, C, G, B minor, E minor, A minor, D. That is the verse, and then obviously the chorus. So same again, G, G, C, G, B minor, E minor, A minor, D. Same structure. Write that down on a piece of paper and just follow that through. You won't go wrong. 2, 3, 4, G. You just have to wait. Then B minor, E minor, then A minor, and so it goes round. Okay, now let's bring it in to the bridge. This is the bit that goes, how many heartaches must I stand? That bit, which is 4 bars of B minor, 4 bars of E minor, 4 bars of A minor, 4 bars of D. Nice and straightforward. And what that actually means for you is we're going to do down, 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 up, 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 down, down, twice per chord, right? So 2 sets of down, 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 up, 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 down, down per chord. So that's going to be in B minor, and then E minor, E minor, then A minor, and then D. And then we're back to the verse stroke chorus again. So there we go. So let's take you through the bridge one more time. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to have the chords up on there. And remember what I said. It's down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor. 2, 3, 4. Bridge, one more time in bridge. So B minor to start with, 2, 3, 4, B minor, E minor, A minor, D, back to the chorus, which is 2 lots of G, 2, 3, 4. C, G, B minor, E minor, A minor, D, G, C, G, B minor, E minor, A minor, D. And that's how you play You Can't Hurry Love. So there we have it, You Can't Hurry Love by Phil Collins. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have that you'd like me to show you how to play in another fun Monday Strum Through guitar tutorial. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. I love bringing you these tutorials, guys, helping you play all the songs that you've wanted to play for so long. And you might also want to head on over to danielberryguitartutor.com for some other tutorials and videos and tips and things that may help you along on your guitar playing journey. So until we meet again, I will see you in the next video. Take great care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye bye.